Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a selfie stick tripod, all right? Now this is made by Kamisafe, and I've used their products before. And they make pretty decent tripods and phone holders, okay? So let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this one. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to show you where you can get this from. You can get it from Amazon. It's a Kamisafe selfie stick tripod, extendable cell phone tripod stand, selfie stick with wireless remote, compatible with iPhone, DSLR, GoPros, and Android phones, okay, for video recording and live streaming, all right? Okay, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this item right here. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. All right, so here's the box that comes in. Kamisafe branding on the front, innovation for life. All right, let's pull this out, see what we get inside. Put that to the side. So you got universal phone clip. So a little bit of instructions here, a little bit of info there, and then this is a satisfactory card. This is the phone holder. Now you have the 1/4-inch slot right there to attach your tripod or another device if you need to. And then this is the remote control. These work really well. So you have the camera button right there. Usually comes with a battery. We'll test that out. And then this is the tripod. All right, so you got aluminum legs here that you stand this up. So you spread this out like that. And you can get tripods. You can lock it by screwing this right here so those legs don't slide up and down. You can lock it by screwing that right there. All right. And you got rubber inserts on the feet right there to keep them from sliding. And you have this quick flip locks right here. Now this right here will also allow you to extend this neck. So you quick flip these right here. Well, I like that. And you can slide this up and extend it up to 62 inches, all right? And when it's flat and the base is 20 inches, and then you can extend it to 62 inches. That's pretty good. I like this because of the ease of use. And these quick flip plus toggles right here work really well, all right? Now, right here you have the connection for the 1/4-inch screw for your camera, GoPro, or your phone holder. You just screw this in like that, and you put your phone in. Okay. Now you do have this piece right here that you can utilize, and we'll put this up. We'll put a phone in there and see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, I have a phone inside. You tighten this with this toggle right here. You loosen it. You can move this around. All right. And you can even get a portrait view just by flipping this and tighten this again. All right, so you can put that in portrait mode and you can catch your video. You know, you can take your video that way, all right? Okay, so this is the tripod with a GoPro attached. As you can see, I'm able to put the attachment on there. This dial right here allows you to screw into this receptacle, the female end of this receptacle right here, to get the 1/4-inch screw into whatever you're plugging into, or you can put another piece just like this adapter there to utilize. All right, so the tripod works really well, as you can see. Good base, it's able to be spread out, and I like the locking mechanisms there. All right. Now you can also use this with, you know, camcorders or other cameras that can accept the male end of the screw right here. So that's pretty good. All right. Okay, so here's the remote right here that you use to take pictures and start video. Now I paired it with this device right here. Let me turn this back up. And it's AB. What you're going to see is AB shutter. You're going to see this AB shutter 3 right there. That's what you're going to look for when you pair it up. All right, and you turn it on with the on/off button right there on the side. You can see that, and then it will start to blank automatically to get in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and take a picture. Let me open up the camera here. Okay, so if you have this on photo, you can take a picture. Let me show you. Let me turn this on. Didn't have it turned on. Okay, so let me take a picture here. You saw that shutter right there. You might have heard that as well. All right, now you put it on video, you can start a video, all right? So you just press the button here and the video will start. All right, so you see it's recording right there, all right? So the remote works well, all right? And it stopped it as well. It stopped the video as well. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Now I have the tripod collapsed. You can hold it like this to use for a selfie camera, as you can see. You can extend this as long as you need to. So holding it like this, you can get your good reach on a selfie camera. This goes pretty far, 62 inches, okay? But you can, I got a GoPro on the end of it right there, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the Kamisafe selfie stick, the 62-inch extendable cell phone tripod stand, selfie stick and with wireless remote right there. And it works pretty well. It's a nice tripod selfie stick and it's pretty durable for the price, all right? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.